What's up, everybody? This is an intro. Are we recording?
We're recording.
Alright, this is an intro. This is the color of the car. We got an awesome cinematic, that's the word, cinematic video that we're going to be sharing with you guys after this intro that we're making right now. It is Toyota's, man, what is it? V6, V4, I don't remember the color code. It is Quicksand Tan. Is Toyota's TRD color that is quite frequently found on their Tacoma TRDs, Pro, Sport, and the like. Yeah, so we hope you enjoy this awesome video put together by Wes at Arrow Media, right?
Yeah.
Arrow.
That's his.
Is it dot or underscore? Underscore or dot? Wes. And Charles at Charles, his last name.
It's Charles
Films.
Charles Meyer Films.
Charles Meyer Films.
Myers.
Myers. Charles Myers Films.
I'll link them in the. They'll get linked in the description.
All right. Their ats will be linked. You can hire them for things. Kibi did nothing. He did nothing.
I did the cool night shots.
He did the cool night shots in the garage. He made the rest of this video.
And I also forced Michael to sit here and talk about it.
And he forced me to labor myself, to put myself into labor. So yeah, we hope you enjoy it. Without further ado, here is either Kibi's nighttime shots first, and then Wes rolling video, or Wes rolling video, and then Kibi's night shots.
Or like a mix of both.
Or a mix of
boom.
both. With Noel. So yeah, so we'll see you guys later. It's gonna be a short one, but it's gonna be really, really good. And there's gonna be probably music that doesn't have any copyright infringement or anything. Alright, well, this is the end of the video now. And
Welcome.
It's totally not being recorded. This is the exact same little segment as the intro that we totally didn't just make. But yeah, so we hope you enjoyed the video. 2 seconds ago I was saying, I hope you enjoy it. And now I'm saying, I hope you enjoyed it. And I hope you did. And we will see you in the next video. And I don't know what the next one's going to be. We're going to be building the motor soon. So that's cool. We're going
to a car show tomorrow.
Oh, we're going to a car show tomorrow. So that's what you guys are going to see next. We're going to freaking, what is it? 1K Motorsports open house for their new shop over in Fort Myers. There's going to be a lot of exotic cars. There's going to be a lot of JDM imports. I think JDM Legends or Legends are whatever. There's too many brands that have the same name or two similar names. So another company is going to be going and doing that. It's a rally too, from Broward Lamborghini to Fort Myers. We're not going to be a part of that. There's going to be like maybe 2 of us driving a very long distance down a back road. It's going to be awesome. Much prefer that than I-4 and 75 all the way down with a bunch of traffic and a bunch of cops.
Are you guys bored of him talking yet? Because I am.
All right, bye.